Going on, guys. This is Nick Stewart from the Rock Consultants. Today we're going to talk about why you never close your credit card. Let's say your credit card was a balance, you paid it off, and you closed it. The fact you paid it off should raise credit score. But if you have the credit cards with balance and you close it, and increasing your credit utilization, which decreases your available credit limit and increases your score. The best option is to keep it open and reuse it every 3 to 6 months. And use very low. Spend it frugally. You want to use it as an activity. Companies like American Express, City, when they do the quarterly checks, they'll shut your card down and close it out completely. I had a lady, she had an American Express card from like the 80s. She had it, she didn't use it. They just shut her card down just like that. So that's something that you want to think about. Whether you pay with balance, don't close it. Spend on a pack of gums to keep it, active and important. I guess. Talk to you later. Please like, share, subscribe. Follow links on free group in the description. I'll see you guys later.